Hello again traders, Andrew Curry here, and stick with me in this video because I'm going to show you how you can judge the strength of some of the movements in retests, in particular in double tops and double bottoms. Okay, so here we have in this box, okay, so we've had a strong bullish movement, okay, we have a double top because it's pulled away, giving us white space, or in this case green space in between, and we have our second test, our retest. Okay, so if we just take them off to avoid the clutter. Okay, so we have a double top here, and double tops are really good at judging, when movements have likely stopped and are likely to head into reversal. Very good if you're a counter trend trader, you want to trade that reversal. Okay, so here we have this double top as well is at a major psychological level, the 2.2 level. This is the pound Aussie. Strong bullish movement up, and the RSI, if I just hold there, we can see hit 83.83, right? Anything over 80 or under 20 I consider overbought or oversold. Now if we were to watch this in real time, we'd then see the big red candles here stop and head back towards that level, and it's actually this candle, if I just hold my mouse pointer there, this is the candle that confirms our double top, passes our highest close but does not close above our highest high. Okay, so if we look at the RSI value for this candle, which completes and confirms our double top, it is 71.74, which I consider not to be oversold. Okay, even if sometimes some traders like to use 70 and 30 as oversold, I like to use a more extreme method of 80-20 because it hits the 70 or the 30 quite often. The second leg is not oversold. What it tells us is we have a major level here, right, around the 2.2. Obviously there's a bit of spread on this because this is the daily. It would be a bit more pinpoint accurate if we were on a lower time frame like the 15 or the 1 hour. But here we have had a strong bullish move, and it hit this level quite strongly. It was oversold, overbought, and was rejected. And for our second movement, it hit that level again with less strength. Okay, so if it failed to break through the first time when it was charging up with more strength, it's less likely to break through again with less strength. Okay, that can be an interesting metric. Look at the reduction in RSI. I call this simply the RSI divergence. Right? So the RSI divergence can indicate higher probabilities of the double top holding, and of course giving us this nice move for a counter trend trade. Have a look through when you test and back test all of these movements and double tops and double bottoms. I think you'll find with most pairs in most cases, the higher probability, as in the ones that are more likely to give you a good counter trend trade, will be ones with RSI divergence, in particular where the first leg is overbought or oversold and the second leg isn't. Have a look for it.